Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video today, we're gonna do an unboxing of this Cooler Master case. Yes, I finally got a case. I got this case from Amazon. I've been watching it for a while. Finally, it was on sale and I just pulled the trigger. And boy oh boy am I glad I waited. I got it for $59. It's coming from, if I'm not mistaken, $100. It went down to $70 and then it went down to more till $60, and I've been watching it ever since, and it finally got to $59, and I'm like, hey, it's probably not going to get any lower, so I just got it immediately. So as you open the box, you're greeted with paperwork to show you all the features and all the cables and what they're for and all that you're capable of doing with this case. Just some diagrams and instructions how to. Probably never going to use this. Just going to take the case from out the box. As you can see, oh look at that, that's so cool. And see what's at the bottom of the box. Just some cables. You get 10 zip ties, a couple screws that you're going to use for the motherboard, and also a couple case screws. So let's take a look at this case here. As you can see, the packaging was excellent. There's a glass at the side, very fragile, and they make sure they secure everything up, and I love that. As you can see, this plastic bag don't want to come off, and there we go. Awesome. You look at that beauty right there. Just beautiful. All black. Let's bring the case closer so you can take a look at it. Already fingerprints all over. It's a huge fingerprint magnet. Vents so the power supply can breathe. There's a quick glimpse of the back, and it is time for me to show you the insides, the guts of this behemoth. I'm just exaggerating. So you can't open it with your hands. You are going to need a screwdriver. I tried and I failed miserably. So watch me struggle to get this off, and I try again and I failed again. So let's grab the screwdriver. Oh, it's a flat point. Yes. And we're going to take that off. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Look at that. And the glass is also tinted, so the LEDs or RGBs, whatever they are, aren't going to blind you. Yes, and I love that. Take a look at that. You're also able to pull the tray out seamlessly, so easy. You're able to put SSDs there, the small ones, as you can see, those small space where you're probably able to put it. And there's also another spot in the case where you can put the SSDs. A closer look on the inside, so you can take a look right here and you can see those 3 fans at the front, RGB lit. Awesome. Can't wait to see how they look. And you can see the casing. There's a lot of compartments for different configs. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I really like this case. Take a look at that. There's a fan at the back, just a regular fan, but I'll change that pretty soon. There we go. A look all around, and we're gonna take a look at the side here. Easily accessible, and you have all those grooves and holes where you can just pass your cable through and have it looking all neat, and I'm loving it. Just another twirl right here so you can take another look at it. So Kirk, if the fan gets dirty, how do I access it? I'm glad you asked. Take a look at this. Pow! You just pull that off and you're good to go. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Hey, I might just rock it without it there. Looking good, looking good. So let's peel this off and see what's going to happen. You know what? Nah, we're not going to peel this off because I'm not putting the PC together today. So I'm just going to leave that there for a little extra protection until I'm completely ready. Sounds good, right? Okay, so it's easy to put back. All I gotta do is just clip it in, and that's it. Let's just say for some reason you want to remove the entire front completely, you still can. All that is holding it are just clips, so I'm just going to leave the sound so you can hear me taking it off. So all that clicking is just the different areas that you're clipping it from. Clip, 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 and taking it off. So if you are into that, like just having nothing at the front but the fans, you're able to do that also. And as you can see right there, easy, very easy. I don't know for what reason you would want to do that, but it's an option. And I love options. Very easy to put back together. All you gotta do is just pull the cards back in, and we're good to go. Very easy, no screws, no hassle, no stress. So if you like this video, if it helped, put a like. If you don't like it, dislike it. Clip, 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 and there we go, we're good to go. Thanks for watching, and look out for the next video when I put everything together.